CFMOTO NK300 popular 2024 motorcycles. CFMOTO, renowned for its innovative motorcycle designs, proudly introduces the 2024 NK300, a compact and versatile bike designed to excel in both urban environments and spirited rides. The NK300, with its blend of agile performance, cutting-edge technology, and modern styling, is poised to capture the hearts of new riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. At the heart of the 2024 NK300 is a 292 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, engineered for efficiency and robust performance. Producing a commendable 27 horsepower and 18.7 lb-ft of torque, this engine ensures lively acceleration and a responsive throttle, making it ideal for city commuting and weekend escapades. The bike's lightweight frame, combined with a 6-speed transmission, enhances its nimble handling and agility, allowing riders to maneuver through traffic with ease and tackle winding roads with confidence. The NK300's design is a testament to CFMOTO's commitment to modern aesthetics and functionality. The bike features sharp lines, an aggressive stance, and a minimalist approach that appeals to contemporary riders. The sculpted fuel tank, sleek tail section, and striking LED headlight and taillight contribute to its dynamic and sporty appearance. Available in several eye-catching color schemes, the NK300 stands out on any street or highway. Rider comfort and ergonomics are integral to the NK300's design. The motorcycle boasts a comfortable, well-padded seat positioned at an accessible height, making it suitable for riders of varying sizes. The upright riding position, complemented by wide handlebars and strategically placed foot pegs, ensures a relaxed yet engaging ride. The bike's suspension system, featuring a telescopic front fork and rear monoshock, provides a smooth ride over urban potholes and suburban bumps alike. Technological advancements are a highlight of the 2024 NK300. The motorcycle is equipped with a full-color TFT display, offering clear and comprehensive information such as speed, fuel level, and trip data. This modern instrument panel also supports smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, allowing riders to access navigation, music, and calls without distraction. The NK300 features multiple riding modes, catering to different riding conditions and preferences, ensuring optimal performance and safety at all times. Safety is a paramount concern for CFMOTO, and the NK300 is equipped with an array of safety features to protect riders. Dual-channel ABS ensures stable and controlled braking on all surfaces, while the LED lighting system enhances visibility in low-light conditions. The robust chassis and high-quality brakes provide reliable stopping power and stability, giving riders peace of mind whether navigating busy city streets or open highways. The 2024 NK300 is designed to meet the diverse needs of modern riders, said a CFMOTO spokesperson. It offers a unique combination of agility, performance, and advanced technology, making it a perfect choice for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. As anticipation builds, the 2024 NK300 is generating significant interest among motorcycle enthusiasts and dealerships. CFMOTO continues to push the boundaries of innovation and design, and the NK300 exemplifies the brand's dedication to delivering motorcycles that cater to a wide range of riding styles and preferences. The 2024 NK300 invites riders to experience the thrill of the road with its blend of power, technology, and comfort, promising a versatile and exhilarating ride. With its competitive pricing and standout features, the NK300 is set to become a popular choice in the compact motorcycle segment, appealing to a new generation of riders.